My name is Dany Bruch. I'm an international pro windsurfer. I've come to the Faroe Islands to explore untested windsurfing territory. The Faroe Islands are completely exposed in the Atlantic Ocean. Most big storms pass through here. It is known for extreme winds and mad currents. This place is like nowhere else I've seen. It's unreal, beautiful, wild. I searched for days to find the right conditions. Some days the weather was so bad, the support boat captain would not come, so I sailed out alone. My biggest fear was that if I come off the board, my hands are so cold they won't work, and the crazy currents will take me. The subarctic conditions are a different level to anything I've ever experienced. The water temperature is 3 degrees, and with wind chill, it's dangerously cold. Windsurfing has since the beginning meant freedom for me. It drives me. I go into the ocean, and from the moment I hit the water, something changes in my mind. The sea is my escape.